In my last several videos, I am just talking about Google AI Studio and APK file and installing into your Android phones. But many of you are commenting and asking me how to get APK file actually inside Google AI Studio. Many of you are not able to find the APK file. So in today's video, I will solve this. Since Google AI Studio's Android app builder is still relatively new, many users are confused about APK generation and installation process. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to generate the APK file, where to find inside Google AI Studios, how to download it, and finally how to install it on your Android phone. If you are already know and if you are generating APK files, then this video is not for you. You can skip it. So I will also cover what to do if APK file is not showing up and some of the most common issues users are currently facing. Now, as you can see, I am currently inside Google AI Studio and I already have an app ready. This app was completely created inside Google AI Studio and now I want to install it on my Android phone. So to do that, I obviously need APK file. So the first thing I am going to do is ask Google AI Studio to generate an APK file for this application. Now, once you give the prompt, AI Studio will start working on the Android build. In many cases, after a few minutes, it generates the APK file successfully. You can find it directly inside the File Explorer. But a lot of people are running into a different situation. Sometimes AI Studio respond with something like this. The app has been compiled and is fully ready. Use the download, export or setting menu to generate and download the APK. Now, when you read this, it sounds like there should be a download APK button somewhere inside the interface. So you will find out it. But if I actually check the export menu, you will notice there is no APK download option available as per the instruction they have given. The only option I can see are export to anti-gravity and directly download it as a zip file. There is no generate APK button, no download APK button, no direct APK export option is available. And this is exactly where most users confused. AI Studio tells you the APK file can be downloaded from the interface, but in many cases, that option simply is not available. So if you are seeing the same thing, don't worry. Let me show you the correct way to generate and get the APK file. So what I'm going to do is now, again ask Google AI Studio. This time I will clearly tell it that there is no APK download option available inside the export menu and ask it to generate the APK file directly in the project file in File Explorer in the code only. Once you send this prompt, AI Studio will start working again and prepare a final Android build. So I'm going to skip the waiting part. And once the build is complete, don't do anything complicated. Just refresh and reload the project inside Google AI Studio. Also, don't see the instruction. It will again say the same thing and it will suggest to download the zip file. But that way also it will not work. Just do this. Just after refreshing your application, just switch to the code view like this way. Now open the File Explorer and in search bar, just type for .apk or apk, something like that, and press enter. Now, if a build was successful, you should now see the APK file listed right here inside the project file like this way. From here, simply right click on APK file and click to download. Now the APK file will be downloaded directly to your computer or mobile, whatever system you will be using. This method has worked so many users who couldn't find the APK file through the export option. So hopefully it works for you as well. Now that we have APK files, let's transfer it to Android phone and install it. Some of you are facing this issue also, that how to transfer this downloaded APK file to mobile phone, Android phone from the laptop or your system, so that you can transfer it using almost any platform you like. Means it general image file or like this way. It is document file only, so you can transfer it via Google Drive, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, even via USB cable. So in my case, I have Telegram installed on both on my laptop also and my Android phone also. So I will use that. I will simply open the Telegram on my laptop, attach this APK file that we just downloaded and send it. That's all. And there we go. Now let's install the app on Android phone. I'm opening Telegram on my phone and opening the chat where I send the APK file. And yes, you can see the APK file right here. I will simply download it and wait for the download to finish. Once it's downloaded, Android may ask for a few permissions and run a quick security scan. This is completely normal and usually takes a few seconds. And there we go. Now we can simply tap install and wait for installation to complete. It will take some time. And the app has now been installed successfully on my Android phone. Now let's open and see if everything is working properly or not. And yes, as you can see, the app launches successfully. All the pages are loading correctly. Navigation is working. The features are responding properly. And overall experience is smooth. So this is the complete process from generating APK file inside Google AI Studio, downloading it to your computer, transferring it to your Android phone, and finally installing and testing the application. I hope this video answers some of your question. You will be asking about the APK generation and installation. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what other topic you would like me to cover in the next videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.